Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Dog Horoscope 2020. A look at the year ahead. Dog Horoscope 2020 foretells that this is a year of new beginnings. There will be many subtle changes in your life this year. But you will also have the opportunity to make even larger changes as the year goes on. Be yourself this year, and you are sure to succeed, no matter what kind of conflicts come your way. People who are born in the year of the dog are often said to be dogmatic. All puns aside, people born in the year of the dog have many positive personality traits. They are said to be loyal, honest, temperamental, sensitive, and energetic. All of these traits will affect their overall mood, personality, and lifestyle. All of these things can influence how a person born in the year of the dog will act during 2020, which can directly affect their Chinese 2020 horoscope. 2020 dog predictions for love. Will the dog get married in 2020? Any relationship problems that you had last year are likely to fade away this year slowly. You will be able to find what you want in a relationship more clearly this year. This will help whether you are already in a relationship or not. If you are already in a relationship, you should tell your partner what you want and need from them, and listen to what they need as well. If you are single, then you can figure out what kind of person you want to date before you begin dating. Expand your thoughts on love and romantic relationships, and you are sure to have new opportunities for love come your way. Don't settle for poor friends this year. Only spend your time with the people who like you just for being you. Your family should also accept you are, or else they're not worth spending time with. Hang out with people that make you feel happy, ignore those that don't. Will the dog have a baby in 2020? Decide well with your partner. Dog 2020 career astrology. The 2020 dog predictions suggest that you are likely to feel more lucky at work this year. But this is probably because you are also more likely to work harder this year. Make sure that you pay close attention to detail on your projects, because missing parts could get you in trouble. Try to maintain healthy relationships with your coworkers and superiors. They are sure to be able to help you during your average work day. Don't forget about your goals and dreams at work. Your current job is not likely to be your final destination, but a stepping stone to get to somewhere greater. Dog 2020 finance. Since the Chinese zodiac dog are likely to be working more, you are also likely to make more money this year as well. This influx of cash can help you to pay off past debts and should be able to help you to avoid getting in more financial trouble this year as well. Year of the dog predictions for health. You will feel like you have extra energy this year. Some obstacles will come your way when it comes to your health. But it's nothing that you won't be able to overcome with time. Try to keep your body healthy by eating right and exercising. Don't forget to keep your mind healthy as well. Having creative hobbies can help with this.